Well, here's a quick tip. Say you have one of these round column mills that has the quill sticking down here, and it gets difficult to turn when you're putting the quill up and down. Sort of gritty feeling. You might think, well, there's something going on back up in here. Probably what's happened, though, is that if you go around and look on the back of the quill, there's a rack back there. You can see those rack teeth. And that's driven by a pinion, little gear up inside. Put some light up in here, you can probably see it. And there's the pinion up inside there. You can barely see it. And that grit, the little pieces of aluminum flakes and stuff, transfer from the rack up into there and get caught between the rack and the pinion. That makes it gritty feeling. So the trick here is to go down here and scrape out all that junk from the rack. And I've been scraping there a bit. You can see the sort of gunk that comes out of there. It's, I don't know if you can see, there are definitely some aluminum chips in there. Some of them pretty good size. Yeah, you can see a little bit of a poorly focused chip there. So just scrape all that junk out, one tooth at a time. It's rather a little tedious. Just scrape them all out, and then that'll restore a nice smooth motion to the Z-axis. And that's important for me because I'm getting ready to CNC this milling machine, and I won't be able to feel any grittiness in there. So I need to make rack maintenance, cleaning and re-greasing part of my normal preventative maintenance on this. It'd be very nice if I had something like an accordion that would fit in here. Problem is when it retracts, it goes, you know, almost all the way up there. So it would have to be a pretty tight accordion fit up in there. I'm not sure what I can get. I've seen some one-piece boot covers go on different automotive, motorcycle, that kind of stuff. Sort of like a constant velocity boot. Those are usually conical shape, but I've seen shaft boots that are one piece that accordion and they rubber and they slip on and they bolt up the back. But I don't think I can get anything to fit in there. If anyone has any ideas about how to protect that rack in the back there, though, from getting chips on it, please post below. I'd really appreciate it. But in the meantime, I guess I'll just be cleaning the gunk out on a regular basis and re-greasing that rack. Hope that helped you some.